All right, guys, this is the third time we're trying this video, so it is gone ahead and worked out, and I apologize, but this is what happens when I try and do it live. So here we go. Scatter plots, line of best fit, a review for today. So all I did, I went ahead and plotted my coordinates. I made sure those were right, double checked I had all my points. Then all I did was take a straight edge or a ruler, and I just kind of moved it around to find where, see how I have like 1, 2, like a little bit above that, and then I have 3 down here. Again, Mr. Veter told us in class, you need 1 point or no point. You just need it to be relatively even. So notice how I have about 2 or 3 up here and I have 3 down here. I feel like this is a pretty good line. So I'm going to go ahead and test it. Well, my intercept is where x is 0. So let me go against my y-axis and see where it is. I have 9 right there. So I pick the coordinate 0, 9. That's my intercept that I start with. Remember, it does not have to cross the origin, anything like that. Just pick an intercept. Then, ignoring the dots, I picked a line on here. So notice I picked 7, 5. There's not a dot there, but it's perfect on my line. Use your line to get your second coordinate. So immediately I'm going to go ahead down here because it is a line of best fit. The line is still an equation, so it's y equals mx plus b. I'm going to write my y equals, and I know immediately if I read left to right, it goes down. That is a negative correlation. I'm going to go ahead and put a negative there. And then I'm going to put x plus my y-intercept I already knew was 9. So I have y equals negative something x plus 9. Well, the something I have to figure out is my slope, and all we're going to do is use slope-intercept. So I'm going to do y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, and I get negative 4/7. Now, don't get freaked out by negatives. Don't get freaked out by fractions. It's okay. Just power through. They're still numbers. So I'm going to take my coordinates from up here. I chose, 9, 4. Thank you. I chose 9, 4. And I plugged it in because there's a built-in guess and check system in here. Plug it in. So I did 4, which is my y, equals my slope times x, which was 9, plus 9. Well, when I put into my calculator, which I'm allowed to use because we're in 8th grade math, negative 4/7 equaled like negative 5.1 something. Again, these are approximations. So I'm going to round that down to negative 5. Negative 5 plus 9 is 4. 4 equals 4. I know I am correct. So I know that this line works for one of these points. It has the same amount on both sides. I have the right intercept. I feel good about that. So we'll review again. Our steps are to plot our points, draw our line of best fit, and then find our intercept based off that line. Ignore your dots now. Use your line to find your second intercept. Find your slope. Plug it into the equation using the y-intercept that you found from your line. And that's it. Quick little 5 steps.